Okie doke. So just after, so it's just after 3. There's a train in about 20 minutes. Going to head back. It's an hour and a half on the train. Should be a direct train. Yeah. So we have to go in there and see if they're going to deploy a ramp this time. So they didn't do one last time when we arrived. They were late, and the train guide got me off. So I've just been trying to find the ticket. Because, return, there we are. So, yeah, I'm going to Westbury.
Yeah, do you want to get a lift?
Where? What platform is it?
Where are you going?
Westbury. I think it's 3:30 or 3:27, something like that. I think.
Westbury.
Yeah. It's on the way to
Got it.
Portsmouth or wherever.
Yeah, platform 1. Portsmouth
Platform 1.
Half past. Got like 25 minutes. So that's for platform 0, that one. So this is going to go down there.
Right, okay.
And then go through that entrance.
Go through the gate.
Lift gates.
Okay.
Lifts down there, okay?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh. Platform 1. Never heard of Westbury.
Doors opening.
1. It's chaos. Yeah, I'm not on this train. On next train.
Next train to arrive at platform 4 is the 13:15 Wright Westbury Railway service from London Paddington. This train will terminate here.
So, over the road,
This is a platform alteration. The 1513 Transport for Wales service to Westbury will now depart from platform 4A.
1B. So that over there, as you can see, we didn't go on it, but so that is actually platform 0. Platform 0, quite rare.
On 4A is the 1513 Transport for Wales service to
Nice steak.
Glenhaven, Pencoy,
So 15 something.
Platform 4A for the
Portsmouth Harbour, there we are.
Transport for Wales service to Maesteg.
1530s.
Y tren nesaf i gyrraedd platform 2 bydd y 18 munud wedi trio Great Western Railway I Lundain Paddington yn galw am Casnewydd, Bristol Parkway, Swindon, Reading a Llundain Paddington. Platform 2 am y gwasanaeth 18 munud wedi trio Great Western Railway I Lundain Paddington. Pan yn ymuno'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymwneud â'r platform. Mae'r dosbarth cyntaf yn harf 1 a 2, 9 a 10. Mae'n safonol yn harf 3 a 8. Mae lle I fynd yn harf 4 a 7. Mae cyfleusterau cadair olwyn yn harf 1 a 10.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 1518 Great Western Railway service to Paddington, calling at Newport, Bristol Parkway, Swindon, Reading and London Paddington. Platform 2, 1518 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform coach. First class accommodation found in zones 1 and 2, 9 and 10. Standard class in zones 3 to 8. Cycle spaces in zones 4 and 7. Wheelchair facilities in zones 1 and 10. This is a platform alteration. The 1315 Great Westbury.
Not on that one, no. On the Westbury.
The next one.
1530. Yeah. busy train. It's just come in. Blimey. I hope so. We had that problem on the way here, so I'm not. They can't go without me. Well, there's nobody about at the moment. Yes. Yeah.
Don't make it easy for you.
Yeah.
Are you waiting for someone?
I'm waiting to go on there, yeah.
Okay.
They're on the way down. Thank you.
Again for that Newport, Westbury, 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 Monster, Salisbury, Step up to the station, Fair, Mushroom, Thank you. October 1851.
No, you're fine. I'm just going to sit on the chair, that was all.
I thought you were going to sit in that.
No, it's uncomfortable.
Oh, is it?
Really. I've got an hour and a half sat on this thing. It's not good for my back. It's really hurting my back now.
No one really goes there.
He's already there. He's already there.
Not getting off yet, really. This way.
Do not travel or leave the train when the doors are closed.
Gotta mind yourself, mate.
No. Ready, mate. We're not having it.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Anything to tell you about that?
So he wouldn't have been there. So basically, they wouldn't have done the ramp except for that woman was getting on.
Doors closing.
So yeah, disappointing. Not sure. That chappie was a bit,
Subway. Doors opening. Doors closing.
he was a little bit anxious. I did notice that. Anyway, we're finished now.
We are sorry to announce that with 17 go-to
Telling us that.
railway service to Gloucester.
Gonna stop. Okay, so that's it then. We're back in Westbury. All done and dusted. I would say I'm not 100% impressed, but I expect you can't really, beggars can't be choosers. Anyway, that's the end of the vlog to Cardiff. First time for 4 years. So hope you enjoyed it, and come back again for the next vlog with our new camera. Bye for now.